Cutest Valentine couples in Bollywood. Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. Alia has already expressed her endless love towards his boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor. This rumored couple is seen holding hands together in every place they go. Isn't it cute? This is their first Valentine's Day after getting engaged, so it has to be special for this cute and charming couple of Bollywood. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh. Is there any doubt that they are the cutest couple in this list? This Valentine's Day is very unique to them as Ranveer can't miss any scope to make Deepika feel special. They are so adorable that whenever Ranveer expresses his love for Deepika, she can't stop blushing. It is Ranveer's love that reflects on Deepika's eyes. They look just perfect for each other. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. This newly married couple looks just picture perfect all the time. Even after marriage, this couple never misses any chance to celebrate love and togetherness. This Valentine's Day is very special to them as this is their second Valentine's Day after marriage. Priyanka and Nick both share a distant relationship as both are busy in their professional life. But this cutest couple always finds time for them and enjoys luxurious vacation. Meera Rajput and Shahid Kapoor. Meera and Shahid look perfect after they welcome their second baby in their life. This married couple has still their own charm and it is shown in their eyes. Shahid can't stop talking about his wife and it is very clear that he adores her. This couple is undoubtedly one of the cutest couple on this Valentine's Day. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal. Varun is now engaged with his childhood buddy Natasha Dalal. Both look just adorable together that we can't take our eyes off them. Varun is now busy shooting his upcoming 2 big budget films, but rumor is that this cute couple is going to marry soon in this year. For this reason, this Valentine's Day is going to be very special for these lovebirds of B-Town. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif. Vicky and Katrina have been dating for quite some time. Cute Katrina and handsome Vicky look very romantic together. Vicky even expressed his love towards Katrina in a prestigious award function. Katrina's reaction was more shocking as she was blushing enough. This new Valentine's couple is really cute and adorable. Hope they will confirm their secret affair soon. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani. Tiger Shroff and his girlfriend both are seen in many places together. They are in live-in relationship for quite some time. Rumor is that they are already engaged too. Tiger is always protective about Disha and Disha looks just perfect with Tiger on screen and even off screen. This Valentine's Day is going to be very special for them as both are engaged this year. Kartik Aaryan and Ananya Pandey. Kartik Aaryan and Ananya Pandey haven't confirmed their relationship, but this rumored couple is now seen in many places together. Ananya is now dating with Kartik Aaryan and this romantic couple looks really cute for this Valentine's Day. Prabhas and Anushka Shetty. Both Prabhas and Anushka confirmed their relationship publicly. Their on-screen chemistry reflects on their off-screen romance too. Both look just perfect for each other. Rumor is that they are now engaged, so this Valentine's Day is going to be very special for them. Pulkit Samrat and Kriti Kharbanda. Pulkit is now dating his co-star Kriti. Kriti has already confirmed their relationship publicly. It seems like this romantic couple is now serious about their relationship. This Valentine's Day is also very special for this lovey-dovey new couple of Bollywood. Shraddha and Rohan Shrestha. Shraddha is now dating her boyfriend Rohan Shrestha. This adorable Valentine's Day couple is going to share some memorable moments this year. They haven't confessed their love in public, but they are now taking time and spending a lot of time together. Rajkumar Rao and Patralekha. Rajkumar and Patralekha are now engaged and they confirm their relationship. This is obvious that this hot couple of B-Town can't miss the chance to celebrate their love and romance on this Valentine's Day. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.